Tess with ROE Dental Laboratory, and today I want to talk about the ugly truth behind two-step dentures. It's something we've heard a lot in the digital denture industry and really in the large lab industry over the last few years. So I want to unpack what does it really take to get to a final denture in 2 visits if we're taking that at face value. We know the second of those 2 visits will obviously be the denture delivery, but let's talk about in that first visit kind of what's happening. Patients presenting, you're taking your primary impressions, alginate, PVS, you have 15 minutes right there. The next step would then be pouring that stone model, so another, let's say 15 minutes to pour. We know how technique sensitive pouring models can be. And then allowing that model 45 minutes to completely set up so that we're not prematurely separating it. Once that model's complete, we're then making a final bite block in office, so give or take another 45 minutes. So right there, we have about 2 hours total. And scenario 1 is patients hanging out in the lobby while we do that. Scenario 2 is even worse, patients sitting in the chair while we're waiting for the model to set, the bite block to be created. So the primary impression and the bite block would all have to be done at visit 1 to truly make that a 2-step denture. Now we understand here at ROE that a lot of offices don't have chair time to allow patients to just sit and hang out, or we don't want a patient being uncomfortable waiting in the lobby, or really to stress our team out with having to complete all that in 1 visit. So we have a solution here for you at ROE that really takes 2-step visits and means what we say with it. With our new ROE Fit Tray, this acts as your primary impression, your custom tray, and your bite block all in one. This stock tray is kept on hand in the 3 different sizes we have here at ROE. You can purchase ahead of time. Patient presents, pick out your stock tray size, and then take your wash impression, do your border molding, capture an imposing, a bite, make adjustments needed, and capture photos. Everything you would have done at your bite block visit without any of that 2-hour chairside work of having the patient wait, scrambling to pour a model, doing the bite block in office that day. We are taking all of that busy lab work, 2 hours worth, and asking you to do it in a 30-45 minute appointment to capture the necessary records with our ROE Fit Tray. And I am so pleased to say, from this visit, you will go to a final denture. So 2 steps, ROE Fit Tray is 1, final denture is 2. None of the messing around, none of the lab work, and none of the wasted chair time that we know is so important to your practice. And if you look forward to making 2-step dentures a thing in your practice, please check out the video linked at the end of this video for our step-by-step process. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to your next 2-step denture with our team at ROE.